What does it mean to be biased?
Personally opinionated.
Personally opinionated? Okay, let me ask you this, because I know you guys know. What does it mean to be racist? Oh, you guys know, you can only say it, right? What does it mean?
To be biased against.
Yeah, it means you don't like a certain race, for whatever that may be. There are people that are racist against white people, against Burmese people, against black people. Okay, racist and bias are pretty much the same thing, except for race. Racist has to do with race. Bias has to do with anything. Okay, so I'd be like, I don't like Chase because he's got glasses. Okay, does it have anything to do with his race? No, it doesn't. But I don't like Chase for a certain reason. Okay. Okay, and Sarah's got glasses too, so I'm like, nah, don't like her. Okay, have you ever played? What is that game? Is it Guess Who?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you gotta ask questions like what?
Is your character male or female?
Yeah, you can say, are they male or female? Do they have glasses? Do they have a big nose? Do they have blonde hair? They're all yes or no questions, and then the more you ask, the then you get to lay down the pieces. That's what bias is in a nutshell. Okay? So, hey, be quiet. A bias sample does not represent the population as a whole and tends to lean towards part of the population. Okay? So, when we're talking about population, you think of like the whole United States or the whole world. Okay? Bias is like having to deal with, I only want to talk to people under 21. Does that cover the whole world? No, why not? Who am I not covering?
21 and under.
Yeah, okay, so old people, middle-aged people, what have you. Okay, for a sample to be unbiased, it must represent the larger population. Okay, so I can't speak for all math teachers, because am I all math teachers? No. Okay, it must be selected at random and large enough to provide accurate data. Okay, now that sounds really crazy, but once you start reading them, it's not that bad. Okay, look at, and number one is really nothing. Carlos wants to know if his favorite sport of people at his school, so he asks the baseball team. Is that biased or unbiased?
Biased.
Why?
Because the baseball team would obviously say that their favorite team is baseball because they're on the team.
Yeah, okay, so, and is he asking a lot of people?
No.
No, he's only asking who?
Baseball.
He's only asking the baseball team. So this is biased, and he said it perfectly. If you play baseball, chances are your favorite sport is what? Baseball. Okay, now is that true for everybody? No. Okay, so we're going to say bias. Okay, and you could put a B or un-B, okay? And then you're going to say why, okay? And it doesn't have to be complete sentences. So I'm just going to say, because he asked the baseball team. Okay, I'll know what you mean. Okay, he only asked the baseball team. Okay, flip it. 4, you want to know your town's favorite fast food restaurant. So you randomly ask 30 people their preference as they leave McDonald's. Okay, so typically I would say when you see that word random, that lets you, most of the time, it's unbiased. However, what is wrong with this one?
He's asking as they leave a specific restaurant.
He's asking as they leave a specific restaurant. So you could ask students as they leave my room, right? But where is he asking them that they leave from? McDonald's. So chances are they probably like McDonald's. Okay? So this is biased. So I'm going to write a B and I'm going to write McDonald's. Okay? Okay, you can write down the full word of bias. I'm just writing B and then I put McDonald's, okay? Because they're leaving McDonald's. 10 students are randomly selected to participate in a survey about home computer usage. Okay? Is this biased or unbiased? Okay, it is unbiased. Okay, and the reason being, I could see if he went to if he went to students' houses that are homeschooled, do you think they use their computer or not? Yeah, for sure. Okay, he just went and asked 10 random. Now, typically, if you see that word random, it means unbiased. However, there are a few exceptions, just like the McDonald's one. Okay, so this is unbiased. Okay, 8. A survey is conducted at a local shopping mall about household products used on a daily usage. Okay. A survey is conducted locally at the mall about household products used on a daily basis. Is that biased or unbiased?
Unbiased,
Okay, why?
because there's thousands of people in the mall.
There is. Okay, I would agree with that. This one is biased. Why do you feel like it could be biased? Okay, now, I don't want you to think about for you, who do you typically run into at the mall? Who do you typically, like, if you had to categorize, who's at the mall? Okay? So, I know because you guys are kids, you normally see a lot of kids at the mall. But if you had to do the mall as a whole, who is typically at the mall? Women. Who uses cleaning products the most in your house? Okay? Most people, it's who? Who usually cleans the house? Mom. Okay? Mom usually does laundry. Mom does the dishes. Typically, in America. Now, is that for every mom? No. Absolutely not. But typically, throughout the years, there was a housewife, right? And the housewife took care of the kids. She did the dishes. She did the laundry. And the majority of people that you're going to see at the mall is going to be moms. So either with little kids, big kids, what have you. Okay? So this is biased. Okay, because they ask, first of all, at a local mall, and second of all, when you're asking about household cleaning products, the majority of the people are going to be the cleaners. Okay? Okay, so you can write local or moms. Now, it doesn't even say anything about moms in there, so you have to like put yourself outside the box. Amy, close your mouth. Okay? Or something of that nature. Okay, so those are all about a general study, okay, a general questioning. The next section is just about the question. Okay, is the question biased or non-biased? Okay, 10. Do you prefer pizza or hot dogs? Is that biased or unbiased? A biased or unbiased question. Okay, so when we're talking about biased or unbiased questions, now, what if I don't eat meat? Okay. Okay, so typically you're going to think biased, which is my first go-to. It is unbiased because they give you an option. Okay, they're giving you an option. If you just say, "Do you like hot dogs?" Or like, have you ever seen people and they're like, "Hot dogs are really bad for you. They contain all kinds of products. Do you like hot dogs?" Okay, you can't do that. So this is unbiased. Okay, because it gives you an option. Okay, and when you have biased ones, you're typically going to see some sort of negative question. Okay, it's going to be some sort of negativity in there. Okay, look at 11. Should more money be wasted on athletics or spent to support the new and improved choir program? Is this biased or unbiased?
Biased,
Why?
because they obviously have prejudice against the athletic program.
They obviously have prejudice, and that's the key word, okay? What is the negative word they used in here?
Wasted.
Wasted, okay? So I can't be like, do you want to waste money? Right? That's negative, okay? What are you supposed to do? Be like, nope, I like athletics, screw that choir program. You can't say that, okay? So, this is biased because of the word wasted. They could say, should we use our money on athletics or the choir program? That's an okay question, okay? But when you say like wasted, then, okay, would you prefer a long and difficult essay test or a short and simple multiple choice test? Is this biased or unbiased? Why do you feel like it's biased?
Because it's,
What's up?
because it's, talking negatively about one answer that they prefer, and then the other one that they're showing is better.
Yes, okay, so they're saying that multiple choice are easy and simple, okay? They're saying that essays are hard and difficult. Although they do give you a choice, right? They say essays or multiple choice. They talk negatively about one, so this is bias. Timmy, can you go down to the library and pick up, there's that big copier when you walk into the left? And I should have copies, they'll either be on the table or on the edge of the copier. What is it think? It looks like these. Okay, it is biased because of the words long and difficult. Are stoplights needed at the intersection of Main and Perry Street? Is this biased or unbiased? It is definitely unbiased, okay? There's nothing negative going on here. So it is an unbiased question. Okay, and then the last section on here, we're gonna do more with it tomorrow. You have seen this a bazillion times, I guarantee you. It may have just been a while. We're talking about the mode, median, and mean for each data set. Okay, what does mode mean? Does anybody remember? Yeah, the mode is the number that occurs the most. Okay, so if we look at 16, what number is up there the most?
18.
18, what else? There's another, 21. Okay, so the mode is gonna be 18 and 21. Okay, now, if there was 3 18s and 2 21s, which one would be the mode? 18, okay, because there's 2 that both have 2 on there, that one is, okay, the median. What is the median? It's the middle. Okay, now, the easiest way to do this is to do what? Does anybody remember? Put them in least to greatest, okay? Now, I'm not gonna require you to do that. If you can keep track in your head, that's fine, okay? So, if you're doing from least to greatest method, it would be 13, 14, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21. Okay? And then you start crossing off. If I cross 2 off on each end, 2 off on each end, 2 off on each end, okay? Till you get to that middle. Okay? So I could say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 1, 18 is our middle number. Okay, and then last but not least, what is the mean?
You add them all up and divide it.
Add them all up and divide by the number. It is the average. Okay, so start typing on your calculator. I don't have one. I don't know the number, so get to typing. Okay?
Will these all have a middle?
We'll find out. What's the mean? Somebody. Or not, I don't care. We can sit here all day. Let's go. If you don't have a calculator, get your butt up. Go get one. Get the type in. Let's get this done. Huh? 17? Somebody agree? 17? I don't know what it is, I'm gonna be honest. That's too many numbers for me to add in my head.
Do we round 14 or do we leave it that way?
You would leave it the way it is.
Everybody cares.
So what is the mean? So it's not 17? Is that what? Huh? 17.8. Somebody agree with that? Okay, cool. Okay, and so this one is done. Okay, so on your calculator, you would say 21, or 20 plus 21 plus 17 plus 14 plus 21 plus 18 plus, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you would take whatever number you get and then divide it by 9 because there's 9 terms. Okay, 18. What is the mode? If you're not on 18, get on 18. Okay, what is the mode? Hmm? 47? 39? Is it both or one or the other? It is both. Okay, so we got 39 and 47. Okay, now I'm going to show you the shorthand way to do the mean. Okay, what is the lowest number on here? 38. So I can cross off 38, 39, 39. I crossed off 3. And then start with the bigger ones. Okay, cross off the 3 biggest ones. We got 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then because I know I crossed off 3 and 3, what is the middle in between that of what's left? Okay, I got 47, 41, and 46. So the mean is going to be 46. Thank you. I almost said 41. Okay, and then get started on the mean. Add them all up, and we're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 again. What do you got, Hannah? Huh? 43.8. Does somebody agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, 20. What is the mode?
2.
2 is definitely the mode. Okay, the median. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh shoot, I did that wrong. Is it 2? The mean. Start adding them up. And then you're going to divide by 11 this time. What? 2 point what? 2.45. Somebody agree?
What are we dividing by?
Well, how many terms is there? It should be 11 because there's 11 numbers. Did somebody else get 2.45?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, 22. What is the mode? 66? 66 and 71? Just 71? Okay. The median? Okay, what's the matter this time? Huh? Okay, so I'm gonna put these in order. You guys are making today take a very long time when you don't answer me, in general. Okay, so I got all my numbers lined up, okay, from least to greatest. Start crossing them out. I got 1, 2, 3. So I can say 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 and 1. So what is the middle? Okay, so there's 2 of them, right? Because there's an even number, when you go to do the mean or the median, when there's 2, you add those 2 middle numbers up because there's not just 1 left, and then you divide by 2. So what is 70 plus 71 divided by 2?
70.5.
70.5. Okay, or you can look at it and say, well, what is the middle between 70 and 71? And it's going to be 70 and a half or 70.5. Okay, and then last but not least, what is the mean? $69.6. Somebody agree? Yes, no? Yeah? Okay. Okay, last one, 24. What is the mode?
14.
Mode is 14. The median,
15.
15. Somebody agree? Okay, and there's 2 left. What is 15 plus 15 divided by 2? 15. Okay. And then last but not least, the mean.
13.2.
13.2? I don't know. Somebody check his work. You got 15.8?
I got it.
15.8?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you guys got 12 to do. Go through and get them done, and then put in the box back there. And then last but not least, listen up.